Welcome back, guys. Back in the shop, working on some stuff today. Just checked on some parts we have in stock for clients, sent them some pictures, so we'll see if they want us to send it out. If you need something, hit us up. We got various things in stock: wheels, parts, turbos, engines, whatever. Just hit us up and let us know what you need. If we don't have it in stock, we can get it for you, new, used, whatever. Just hit us up. So right now we're gonna get on the bell housing for the gforce. As we figured out last time, when this is mounted just straight to the bell housing, it's too short. It will not engage the clutch. So what we do is now, I got some longer bolts, stores are open again, and now we're gonna put some shims in there just to figure out how far we need to go, how much distance we need to cover. Right now this is at 1.5 centimeters. So we're gonna test fit just to see if it works or if we need some more. And if we know the exact lengths where we wanna have it, we'll probably get something machined up. I think this would work, but I'd rather have this in one piece, or maybe even have something machined up which like covers the whole thing, like a ring or something. I don't know. I have to talk to our neighbor. He has some CNC machines and I'm sure he can handle it. He's right over there. So he's not here right now, so I can't talk to him, but yeah, I want to have something at least solid like this. These are too short, unfortunately, and too wide. But yeah, for now this will do. If you want to get a gforce set up like this, as soon as we have installed all of this, I'm sure I can point you the right way, what exactly you'll need to put it on a JZ, especially on a JZX, but also all the other cars where you have a JC installed. You can get all the parts from us. We'll have some stuff set up, like clutch lines, all the stuff you don't get when you buy one. This is kind of our test mule to do all this. And if you need one down the road, hit us up. Units just look sweet, and I can't wait to have it in the car and rip some laps with it. So yeah, I'm gonna test fit it and see where we at. So we reinstalled the bell housing. Oh, let me get some light in here so you can see. This is what it looks right now. I extended the cylinder so it touches the clutch right now, and now we can measure it up, how much I had to move it out. I think we'll need some more shims in there to make sure. So now, because you can't really measure it, what I'll do, I'll just take off the bell housing again and measure it when I have it outside the car. So we'll just try to do that, and I'll show you what exactly I'm measuring up. So we're gonna measure it up right here. So I'm gonna put this there, and it tells us we're at like 9 millimeters. Not sure if you can see it, but it's kind of hard to get in there, sorry. So I measure how much I lifted it from here to here. Is this the way where it's like dead travel, where it's not doing anything? And you need some space in there, because the clutch forks, they're gonna lift up over time when they're used, so these are gonna come out more, but you don't want to have too much that space where there's nothing happening. And also you want to have this being able to go all the way in before just like falling out, so you can push the clutch all the way. So I guess we put some more shims in there, and we'll see what it do. So we put some more shims in there, and I already measured it up. Same process as before, and we came out to, oh sorry it doesn't focus, like 5.2 millimeters of that travel. The tilt installation tells us it should be between 0.17 and 0.23 inch, which equals to 4.31 millimeters to 5.84 millimeters. and right now we are at 5.2, so we're right in there. So should be good. So we'll take it all apart, we'll measure it up, what it is exactly, how much spacing we needed in there, and have the guys over there machine something up for us. As soon as we got those spacers, we can mount it up definitely, hopefully for the last time, and yeah, should be good. The clutch lines should arrive soon. New products, new partner we are testing. If quality is to our standards, we're going to be distributing it. So if you need any clutch lines, brake lines, any kind of hoses and dash fittings all made up, pressed or pushed on, there's different varieties. We can cover you. I'll get you some more info on that as soon as it's here and we like it. But yeah, whatever you need, hit us up. So we're going to take this apart again, measure it up, and send it over to the machine guys. Alright guys, so that's how you measure the bearing clearance from the clutch hydraulic release bearing to the clutch itself. So I got these to all connected so I don't lose one. Send it over to the fabrication guys. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys can pull through all of this COVID-19 crap. It's getting close. Things are opening up around here more and more next week, so we'll see how it goes. I hope there's no second wave on it. As always, if you need anything, hit us up. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment whatever you need to know. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye. I got a question for you guys. Which car should we work on next? We got the S14 and the AE86. So the story behind the S14 is it's going to be a street car, easy to drive to the track, drift a little, do some grip laps, whatever, drive back home, should be easy going. Having it street registered makes it easier. It's very hard on modified cars in Switzerland, but this should be doable. The only problem it has, cylinder number 3 isn't working properly, and we switched out a whole lot of things already. So, but this is kind of close, hopefully. And this one, that's my kind of live project. My AE86 has a F20C swap in it. The car, a lot of memories with it, but it catched fire at one of our events. So it will need to be a complete rebuild, and I want to take my time on it. But let me know what you want to see next, because as soon as J-X is off the hoist, which should be soon, I will pull one of these back in and start working on those. So write in the comments what you would like to see next, the 86 or the S14, and let me know. Thanks guys.